if there's any way you could, allow me at least half the time that my opponents have, so that I could at least be able to master a defense in relation to petition number 5, the primary, and the proxy ones, the 6 of them. That is all.
My lady, if I may. My lady, if I may have your indulgence for only 1 minute. I noticed that my lady observes that this application was filed out of time, and we admit that that is so. But the reason is that it is not one of the applications contemplated under the rules. Issa Mansour, Esquire, filed his papers on the 26th. We did not expect that there would be another petition filed in the guise of a response, because what the 4 commissioners have done is to file a fresh presidential petition outside the constitutional timelines. We agonized as to what we ought to do in the circumstances, and the only thing open to us was to make the application on the 29th. So we beseech you that if you find that it is out of the normal timeline, you nonetheless grant us an extension of time, because resolving this matter is very fundamental to resolving the petition. It is, my lady, this court that has repeatedly cautioned us that we should never attempt to resolve such a weighty matter as to who is the legitimate president of the Republic of Kenya on the basis of subterfuge. And I do pray, therefore, that you consider very seriously, my lady, that application, so that you may guide us accordingly. As regards time, we have another request. We are facing 7 petitions, and all these people are attacking the integrity of our technology, the capacity of our personnel, and above all else, the integrity of our chairman. We would ask for just 1 more hour so that we can meet these 7 petitions that have been allocated 10 hours. Thank you very much, my lady.
My lady, the President of the court and members of the court, I think the court has been very fair looking at the time allocation. We have 7 petitions, and in all those 7 petitions, we have been given a total of 6 hours, with a little bit more time for the petition number 5. We have 3 hours. The respondents similarly have 6 hours. And I think that taking into consideration the time that you have to hear and determine the petitions, I think that the time allocation has been very fair. Otherwise, if you have to follow the arguments by my learned friends for the IEBC, you would similarly say that our petitioners had a lot more to lose than the other petitioners, and therefore we should be given a little more time. But I think in the circumstances, I think the court has given a fair consideration as to the interests of all the parties and how to accommodate all the parties. 6 hours for the petitioners and 6 hours for the respondents. It's 6 hours. I think you do a little bit of mathematics, you'll find. I did a little bit of mathematics. The other matter that I wish to draw the court's attention, there are other pleadings that have been filed out of time without the leave of court, I would invite